Yeah, I'll do it.
Hang on, I've got 2 more to go. Go on.
Carry on.
Howdy. Well, if it's not clean now.
Oh my god.
If it's not clean now, that's never going to be clean. I bet it's pouring out there like somebody's pissing in it. Look at the smudges come out of there. I've got to push the car back just so I can see that sludge. There, break. Oh, I can't.
Yeah, you can see the sludge. Bloody hell. I still can't believe how it's coming out underneath for.
Oh, good. Nan's back. Sounds like a bus.
Worth me moving my car so she can get in?
Nah, she'll go in the labour.
Oh.
I've got a chip. We've got loads of chips in the window. Oh, they're clean, isn't it? Quick and professional way to clean your car. Take a hose pipe to it.